Polishing your aluminum or chrome wheels can be a dirty, messy, and often a time-consuming job. And sometimes, simply choosing the correct polish to use can add confusion. To solve these challenges, we've introduced Meguiars Brilliant Solutions Wheel Polishing Kit. This kit eliminates the effort and confusion while creating a mirror-like shine quickly and easily on all uncoated, polished, or chrome surfaces. Start by washing and drying your wheels thoroughly to remove all loose debris. Attach the Meguiars DynaCone Polishing Tool to any drill. Apply a small amount of the included Meguiars all-metal polish directly to the DynaCone Polishing Tool. Begin polishing with the slow speed and gently work the polish on the surface. The unique DynaCone shape allows you to easily work on many different shapes and angles. Continue polishing and reapply all metal polish as needed for maximum shine. Remove any remaining residue using a clean microfiber towel to reveal mirror-like results. Now that your wheels are like new again, it's time to clean and store your DynaCone polishing tool so it's ready for the next use. Simply remove the DynaCone polishing tool from the drill, apply approximately 1 ounce of the supplied Meguiars foam pad cleaner directly to the tool, saturating the foam as evenly as possible. Submerge the tool in a bucket with approximately 1 gallon of water. Begin squeezing and kneading the foam thoroughly to release the oxidation and grime. Repeat this process several times until the foam looks like new. Finish by rinsing and squeezing the foam with fresh, clean water. Towel dry and store in a clean, safe cabinet or drawer for the next use. Quick and easy wheel polishing each and every time using the Meguiars Brilliant Solutions Wheel Polishing Kit.